All right, so we're just going to do a little reefer operation here. On the older models here, you've got your on-off, you got a battery switch and a power switch. We're going to go to the power switch. That's up. And then we're going to hit the on switch. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And you can see the numbers start coming up. And it'll take does a little self-test before it kicks on. Okay, so this first number you're seeing is your set point, and this is the temperature of the box. That was in compartment 1, now we got compartment 2. You can see the 2 here. We're back to compartment 1. We're going to wait till it starts and I'll show you how to change the temperatures. You can hear that noise, that means that stand clear, it's starting. All right. So we have 2 reefers on all of these trailers. We have the main reefer in the front. That's usually where all the frozen product goes. That will be the reason why we're set at 0 on here. In the back of the trailer we have a second reefer, and that's for the refrigerator product. Your temperature range for your freezer is 0 to 10, and your refrigerator has got to be 33 to 40. So if you need to change this temperature, you wait for whatever compartment you're looking for, like compartment 2. Then you can hit these buttons and you can see I'm adjusting it. Once you're done adjusting it, you can hit that and you can see it says set point change. Now this control right here is for your second compartment. So you can see it's on compartment 2 now and compartment 1. If we shut compartment 2 off, it's not going to come up for compartment 2, it'll just show compartment 1. So now the whole trailer is going to be frozen. You need the compartment back on, just flip it on, it'll go back and you'll get a reading on it. There it is. So whenever you get to your stops, we're supposed to shut the reefer off. The easiest way to do that is just hold it and it shuts right off. And it takes a few seconds for it to run through its thing again, and then the reefer will shut off. Biggest thing of that is don't forget to turn it on before you head to your next stop.
And how do you do that?
Just by holding that button up for about 5 seconds and it'll kick on again. Alright, so these are the newer reefers. These are mostly all digital push button. You still have your power button that you need to turn on. Then to get it to start, hold this, for about 5-10 seconds, and then you'll see the reefer kick on. As you can see, it just started, and then it's going to go through its self-test again before it starts going. That little red alarm button that's flashing, if you can see it as an alarm, it's because the box temperature is out of range. And that should go away once it starts up. We're going to go ahead and go through some. There we go. Now I can hear it. It's going to start up now. There we go. It's a noisy one too. All right, so at the top here you can see a start stop and you can see a diesel mode. Sometimes these trailers are parked on the west fence over here and they're plugged into electricity. If you go through the menu button 3 times and hit standby. You can see it's on diesel. And now, okay, and now it's on electric, and that's why it shut off. So we're gonna go through again. 3 times, gonna hit the standby again, and we're gonna choose diesel. You always want to make sure before you leave the yard that it's on the diesel mode, not the electric. Also on this menu button here, if you hit it, it's going to start again, I hear it. But if you hit this, you can see compartment 1 is on and compartment 2 is on. You can shut them off as you need to be, or you can turn them back on. It'll take a little bit, but it'll automatically go back to the main screen here by itself. You do want to make sure that both compartments are on before you leave the yard, and that it is in diesel mode. Alright, once again, we got compartment 1 set at 0. We've got compartment 2 set at 36. If you need to change that, just scroll through, then make sure you hit the equal button, and it says the set point has changed. Now it's at 34. Then just to shut it off,